Hello everybody, my name is Forster. This is the first vlog I probably did in a while right now. Welcome back to motorcycle riding. That's right, we're going to be doing motorcycle riding again. This time, we're going through the forest. So, if I could just grab my helmet real quick. Put it on. Yeah, see you guys when I get it out. 1 minute and 39 seconds later. Here it is. Anyways, let's just hop on it and let's get on. Let's go. Alright. If the camera's a little bit shaky for you, I'm sorry. I'm okay. Right, let's park. Here's a good area. The house is way over there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's just way over there. Let's take a walk around. Oh, we got pine cones. This one's a big one. Look at it. There's a massive, gigantic stick over here. Yeah. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna turn the camera around. If you guys are enjoying the vlog so far, make sure you leave a like on this video. And also subscribe as well to see more vlogs and other videos that I may upload. And let's get back to the vlog. Anyways, the forest is looking nice. It's all green. It's going to be summer in a little while. Anyways, let's get on the bike. Move on to the second part of the forest. When the stump was here, he messed up. Mission failed. We'll get it next time. Ow! I actually never imagined this stupid stump hit me. The freaking stump! It made me trip.
I told you, he messed up.
That scared me. Well, ouch. I'm fine. Big impact. Oh, I can definitely feel a big bruise there, but it hasn't been made yet. Anyways, let's have a look around here. The place I so-called crashed. The tree's looking pretty good. Yep, there's plenty more to go. Yeah, well, that's the second part of the forest for some random reason. Gosh. I don't know what you guys think of that big impact, but look at this. It literally turned my 5 apart. That's a little bit better. Now my pants are covered in leaves. I'll just get my helmet. Gosh, I'm glad I had it on. That was an accident. Let's try to keep going. And guys, this is me driving with one hand only, and the other holding the camera. You don't even know. Anyways, this is gonna work this time. This is going to go well. Oops, sorry, that's the thing. I'll get that out of the way. I can't get that out of the way, otherwise it'll take me to the app and it'll end the video. Don't mind that on the screen, if it's on the screen anyways, but maybe it is, maybe it isn't. I have no idea. Leave a comment if it's, like, it's a blue circular thingy with a camera, a recording thing, a microphone, and others. I have no clue if it's on there or not, but yeah, anyways, this would be the second part of the forest. Since I crashed away back there, this is the third part. This is my burn area, or so-called peaceful spot, that I go up there and I just relax. Speaking of peaceful spot, let's just go up there right now. This is called the dirt highway. This is called the dirt highway right here, everybody. The dirt highway is right there. Anyways, let's just go up. Alright. My peaceful area is right here. This is where I can actually calm down if I get mad at Fortnite, mad that I did something wrong that I'm not supposed to do, etc. And my favorite spot is over here. So, guys, while we're at my best spot in the peaceful area, how was your day and how is it going down below in the comment section? If it was going good, well, I'm happy that you had a good day. Right now, my day just turned like even better because, you know, the giveaway I was doing, remember I split it up? The rest, the half of the $50 I was trying to give away, I'm going to use it. There will not be any more giveaways for a while, sadly. But I do appreciate you guys trying to push your hardest to the giveaway. Besides anything else, we got over 100 views on that video. That is amazing. If we can change that on the Theo Town video, having more likes and dislikes, because I saw it on YouTube Studio, that would be really appreciated. I've been sitting here for 1 minute now, so I guess that's enough. Unless if you guys want me to stay here for more, but I'm only allowed to record 15 minutes. So this is the third spot. Let's go to the fourth spot, which is on the dirt highway. Let's turn around real quick. Oh, mode, please. I gotta put my helmet upright. Yeah. Here we go. Dirt highway. Let's go. Oh, don't go too fast on the dirt highway when there's like debris around. Whoa. And you're driving with only one hand. And all over there will not be counting as a spot, because that's the road to the main road. This is the second peaceful area. This is for emergencies, when I actually get scared. Like, actually pretty scared that, you know, let's say the O-Town video got more dislikes than likes, I would go here. But if it had way more than 10 or 20, I would go here. Besides anything else other than that, no Wi-Fi. So that's my fourth part of the map. Let's go turn around and let's go to the final spot. And no, it's not on the dirt highway. It's the European way back home. Alright, the European way is right here. And, well, this is the intersection, obviously. So this is the European intersection. Let's go back home. Or not home. Let's go back to the European place that I figured out. Anyways, here's the European area. This is my arrest area, just in case if I'm not even scared or if I'm not even mad. I just take here for fun. And anyways, that is it for motorcycle riding. When we get home, I'll tell you a secret. Oh my god. Really? I'll have to clean my pajamas. Yes, I'm wearing my pajamas. Don't even think about it. Don't even think why. It is early in the morning. Alright? I didn't have time to put my pants on. I gotta clean this out real quick. And I'll just go. Alright, let's go. There we go. We're back home, everybody. Yeah, look at those trees. They're beautiful. Well, if you guys have enjoyed, make sure you leave a like button down below in this video, and also subscribe as well to see more vlogs like the motorcycle riding. I could do more motorcycle videos anytime. I can also do more gaming videos. I can do more impression videos. I can do finally I can do reviews, and I can probably do more giveaways soon enough. But for the sake of it, I can't do giveaways until like way later when I get more cards. Right now I'm using the last one I have. Anyways, guys, see you guys in another video.